let's take a look at Ethereum. ETH, so currently it is hovering around the $1,700 mark. And within the past 7 days, it's been up around 24%. So it's currently in the green with the total market cap at 197 bill. And it seems to be following in Bitcoin's footsteps with Bitcoin at 37.7K. With the percentage not as high, but the market cap is still at a 703 bill for Bitcoin. But Ethereum, I just wanted to showcase some things on that happened the past few days, and also some things that are going to happen in the future of this video in a couple more days too, that could have caused the increase in the price of Ethereum. So just note that nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before making any investments. But here, let me just show you this quick post on Twitter. And essentially, crypto giant Grayscale has added 25k ETH, which is worth over 37.8 million. And they did this actually a few days ago, and that ends up bringing their total holdings up to 4.5 billion. And that's something that was just recent. So either they might have seen something happening, but also wanted to bring over this article too. And another big thing is that the actual CME, the futures, Ethereum futures, coming out on the 8th of February. So by the time you're watching this in the future, it's probably already there. But that's also might be one of the reasons why people are getting excited about getting into it. And then here's just little prediction. Again, you can't really believe or trust these things. They're just kind of like speculating the price. But I mean, we would never know until it hits something. But here they're saying probability of ETH becoming greater than 2K in the next few months is about 25%. So again, this is just a prediction. We never really know until it actually happens. But in case you're just not too familiar, I just wanted to show some use cases of Ethereum. And mainly one of the most popular reasons are dApps or decentralized apps. But pretty much you can see here that Ethereum actually enables the deployment of smart contracts and aka, like I said, dApps that can be built and run without any downtime, fraud, or control, or interference from a third party. So if you were part of the GameStop, AMC craziness, where Robinhood and some of the other platforms were pretty much preventing you from buying, selling, or doing any trading, then, well, decentralization, going to the point where pretty much none of that will be able to happen, is probably another reason why people are looking into crypto as well. And also, let me just reference back, and this is just some of my opinions and things that I've seen, but again, this is not just my opinion, but it seems to me that more people are looking at Bitcoin just as more of a store of value, somewhere they can just like hold their money in. A lot of big players are just putting their things into Bitcoin just so that they can have it there. But for Ethereum, it seems like for more people, they actually want to utilize it for something more than just like holding their money into. So again, that's something you can look into more research, and that's like a little quick, I'd say, thing on it. But if you did want to look more into some of the use cases and all of that, you can definitely check it out on Google or somewhere online. And then here you can see too, trading view chart. Currently it is at around 1700, like I said. A little hit was 17.5, yeah, or 1755 or 58 at the high today. And then you see here, if I just go back around like the beginning of February, and let me just do like a little measure thing right here to show you guys. And I can click it, and at that time, it's basically increased upwards. Well, if I'll go right here, it's basically up $400+ within just a few days, which is, I mean, that's a huge chunk, especially for the current price it's at. That's a big chunk, and most people, I think, too, this is me again, just my opinion, but if they're traditionally never got into crypto or never really seen the market, they'll see Bitcoin and be like, yo, that's super expensive, right? It's like 37,000. They don't have that kind of money to put in. And then Ethereum, it's much cheaper, still a lot, not gonna lie, it's still 1.7K, but it's definitely something that people might see it. They might see it visually and think, oh, this can go up higher than the other one. And again, that's just something that also I think people are just looking at too, because they can afford more of ETH versus Bitcoin. But again, that's just me, that's my opinion, just giving some takes on that. But again, here, like I mentioned, the ETH futures coming out the 8th of February, so that's to me something really big. And then in case you're not really sure what a futures is, it's basically, it is a contract, and you can see the definition here. It's a legal agreement to buy and sell a particular commodity asset or security at a predetermined price at a specific time in the future, hence why it's called a future. But if you want to look more into that, definitely you can research that on your own. But in case you are new to the channel, Definitely let me know what you think about what's going to happen with ETH or maybe any other cryptocurrencies out there. And also go ahead and like this video for more content. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll be posting more updates and news and things just going on around the world. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.